ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब, जम्मू कश्मीर के इतिहास में पहली दफा हुआ पहलगाम के अंदर हमारे जो आए हुए जम्मू कश्मीर के मेहमान थे उन पे इतना बड़ा हमला हुआ। आज जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के पास वो लफ्ज नहीं कि किन लफ्जों के साथ हम इस हादसे की निंदा करें। जम्मू कश्मीर का हमेशा इतिहास रहा कि मेहमान नवाजी के लिए जम्मू कश्मीर देश और दुनिया में पहचाना जाता है, और जो भी हमारे घरों से इस जम्मू कश्मीर से होके गया वो जम्मू कश्मीर के मेहमान नवाजी से इतना ज्यादा मुतफिक हुआ कि जहां जहां भी वो गया वो एक जम्मू कश्मीर का एम्बेसडर बन के गया और उन्होंने जाके बताया कि जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग कैसे हैं, जम्मू कश्मीर की मेहमान नवाजी कैसी है। जम्मू कश्मीर जहां शेर और बकरी ने गड्ढा पानी पिया है। जम्मू कश्मीर का इतिहास भाईचारे के लिए जाना जाता है। जम्मू कश्मीर जहां के लिए महात्मा गांधी जी ने भी कहा था कि आगे मुझे रोशनी की किरण कोई नजर आती है भाईचारे की तो वो जम्मू कश्मीर है। लेकिन आज कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो जम्मू कश्मीर के भाईचारे को नजर लगाना चाहते हैं। कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो जम्मू कश्मीर के भाईचारे को खत्म करना चाहते हैं। लेकिन इस 30-35 साल के इतिहास में हम पीछे अगर मुड़ के देखें, जम्मू कश्मीर की धरती कई बार खून से लथपथ हुई, और जब भी हुई लेकिन लोगों ने अपना भाईचारा नहीं खोया, अपना इतिहास को कभी भूले नहीं, अपने बुजुर्गों के दिए हुए इस भाईचारे की विरासत को कभी भूले नहीं। हमारे नौजवानों ने हमेशा मिलजुल कर इस भाईचारे को कामयाब रखा। ये भाईचारे के कारण जम्मू कश्मीर, चाहे जम्मू सूबा है, चाहे वो कश्मीर है, चाहे वो लद्दाख है, बेशक हमसे अलग है हाथ, लेकिन हमारे भाईचारे की जो मिसाल है वो देश और दुनिया में बताई जाती है और कही जाती है। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब, आज जब मैं आपके सामने खड़ा हूं, हम उन पहलगाम के जो लोग हमारे इस हादसे में मारे गए उनको श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए यहां मैं खड़ा हुआ हूं। उसके साथ साथ पहलगाम का वो घोड़े वाला सईद आदिल हुसैन शाह साहब।
So that is Surinder Chaudhary, the Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. He's reading out from a resolution from the J&K Assembly. Remember, this is not just about mere words. It is the J&K Assembly, all of its MLAs, irrespective of political differences, have come out to say that unequivocally they condemn the heinous act of terrorism that has led to the loss of life of not just tourists, not a random shooting, but a targeted attack. They've also, of course, hailed how one of the local Kashmiri man also who tried to intervene, that led to also his killing too. So that is what is happening in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly special session. Kamaljeet Sandhu is on the ground in the valley. Kamaljeet, so that also is a big moment as much for the leaders to take this moment to ensure that on documentation in the history of the country, J&K Assembly condemning this incident.
Well, absolutely. Each and every individual we've spoken to in Jammu and Kashmir has condemned this terror attack. And now it's time for Jammu Kashmir Assembly. And the sort of emotions that have been spelled out is very clear that this has affected not just the state government as such. Remember, Umar Abdullah spoken about it. Emotions running very high because remember, Jammu Kashmir is also known for its hospitality. The tourism industry has been extremely hurt. There have been mass cancellation. And at this point of time, where they're looking for a good summer, expecting and welcoming a huge number of tourist influx, that is when the terrorists have hurt the economy, hurt the sentiments of the people and hurt the guests of Jammu and Kashmir, the Jammu Kashmir Assembly, and each and every individual there speaking with a lot of fervor about the terror attack which has taken place in Pahalgam. They're talking about, obviously, that the role of the local hero, Adil Hussain. We were at his residence in Ashmukam. There has been a support coming in from just not the normal people, but also from several leaders, even from Maharashtra. A lot of people trying to help the family. He was the sole breadwinner. But yes, people have shown resilience, and this is what was spoken about in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly itself, how Jammu and Kashmir has remained steadfast throughout the 3 decades of terrorism. They've also maintained resilience. But this is a time where the guests have been earned, and this is the largest terror attack on tourists of Jammu and Kashmir. Then again, the assembly coming and passing that resolution is something which is very high on agenda for the Union Territory. Obviously, at a point of time where the state had been, where the UT had been seeking statehood, but obviously a whole lot of plans have been pushed back because of the terror attack. What they would want is imminent justice being brought, and those who have been behind the dastardly attack are taken to task.
This is important what you're telling us, that leaders, people have to come together. And as I look at the beautiful meadow, the flowing river behind you, Kamaljeet, it's a reminder of the beautiful Kashmir. So much had changed. It appeared more and more tourists were going, people were locally welcoming all of this. And then this massacre happens in the meadow. Let's hope that India will be able to, together united, fight it out and against Pakistan. Thank you very much, Kamaljeet Sandhu. Looking forward to your coverage from the Kashmir Valley.